Here it is. Here is the gorgeous box. You know what? I am so excited. You know what? Let's unbox this box together.
I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Natasha. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love and support that you have been showing me. In today's video, we are going to be doing a luxury designer bag unboxing. You know what? I've always desired like a well-designed bag, one that's not too expensive. I think one's probably pretty affordable, something that I can use like for every day, and one that's also well versatile. So that's why I went ahead and chose this particular bag. You know what? I am so excited. Let's start this unboxing right now. I'm so excited. I mean, I know you are, to see what is inside the box. I did get my bag from Harvey Nichols because I'm in the UK, and I made sure I shop around just to make sure that this was the most lowest price that I can get at any designer website. And you know what? Look at it. Look. Oh, it's so, you can almost see it, can't you? So the bag did come in this duster bag, and I think the duster bag looks a little bit cheap. If you look at the side, it looks like it's coming apart already. But you know what? Let's see what it is. Oh, lovely, gorgeous orange. And it is the Coach Tabby pillow bag. And oh, look at it. Oh, it is so soft. I mean, it definitely has like the pillow effect. It is the Coach Pillow Tabby shoulder bag in 26. I chose the color because I think, you know what, I am definitely like a bright person. I love colors because sometimes I find if you got on like a boring outfit, this will definitely enhance your outfit, and that's why I went ahead and chose the orange color. You can also get it in the green, you can get it in the white, and you can also get it in the pink. But for me, I think the orange color was definitely a color I can wear like spring, summer. I think for this bag you can wear it any season because it's just like a pop of color just to brighten up your day. It does have like the Coach logo on top of it, and this is more like a hard leather, but the rest of the bag, you touch it, it feels so soft, so amazing. This bag as a shoulder bag, and on the inside of the bag it does come like with the straps, so you can make the bag a little bit longer if you do want to have it like that. Very versatile, which I wanted in a bag, and I think this is definitely the bag for me. This is like the it bag, definitely for summer for me. I am going to be wearing this so many different places. You know, I'm going to be wearing it if I'm going to casual work. I'm going to be wearing it if I'm going out for dinner. I'm going to be wearing this bag because I just think that the bag is so beautiful. You know what? And on the inside of the bag, 3 different compartments, which I think is really great. They can fit so many different pieces or so many different items in. Now I'm just going to show you what you can fit inside the bag. The first thing is my purse. I also have my card holder. I do have my phone as well, and as you can see, there's still loads of room inside of it. I also have like my Vaseline that I use daily, and hand sanitizer. Who can forget this? Because you know, this is like gold. You need to use this all the time. I also have like a sweet for my son, because if you're going anywhere, he always goes, oh, I'm so hungry, I need a snack. So I always keep a snack just in my bag for him. And I also have on my Dior lipstick, and as you can see, it says mommy. I got this Mother's Day from my very handsome little boy, so I'm really happy about it. And this is a lip color that I'm actually wearing on my lips. Oh, and if you want to know what shade it was, and it's a Dior Rouge lipstick. Love it. I also have a toy for him, because if we go out for dinner, he gets sometimes a little bit bored, so I normally just take like a little car, and this is just a Hot Wheels that I have for him. And if I go shopping, I always carry like my headphones with me. These headphones, I did get them from Amazon. I do use them a lot in the gym, and like I said, if I'm going shopping, I put these babies in my ears. And look at the bag. Look at how much room is inside of it. All the stuff in there, and you put it onto your shoulder. It does feel really light, it feels really comfortable. It almost feels like if there's nothing inside the bag, and that's why I really like the comfort of this bag. It is so soft. I mean, the leather, it just feels really amazing to touch. I just want to touch it all the time. It also has like the magnetic gold clasp, so it's very easy for you to close the bag. And it also has like the gold details around the Coach logo, and it also has it on the straps. Like I said, This leather bag is really like a really gorgeous piece, a very comfortable, very easy for you to touch. It's just like a lovely bag. I mean, I'm quite impressed with the bag because I didn't think that when I got it, I didn't think that the size would be, I thought it would be a little bit smaller, but now I fit all the stuff into it. I just think that it's like a really big everyday bag that you can use, and like I said, it's just really perfect for summer. I definitely love that. You know what, price wasn't too expensive, and I think for something I'm gonna have for a really long time, I think this is definitely worth the price. With the Coach bag, you can go ahead and remove like the shoulder straps, and as you can see, look at that, it is a very soft, you know, normally when you have like shoulder bags, they're not that soft, but this one is very, look at it, it is a very soft, it almost feel like if you are touching the bag, which I really like about the shoulder straps. And I do like the gold accessories on it. I think the gold on it, like I said, is a very subtle, very soft. And if you do not want to wear it as a clutch and you don't want to wear it as a shoulder bag, you can go ahead and remove these detachable straps, and you can just put on like the longer straps. The longer straps is almost like if it's a belt, which I really like. It's a little bit harder, but like I said, it still feels a little bit soft, you know. And I think now that I've tried it 3 different ways, I do love it either way. You know, I think this is a really cute bag that I got from Coach. Like I said, I think I'm in love with this bag. And I'm going to be wearing it all summer. You're going to be seeing all my fabulous photos with me in this gorgeous bag. And what I really like about the bag is that it's like 3-in-1, and who doesn't love that? Because I know I do. You know, I like that you can wear it as a clutch, or you can go ahead and wear it as a shoulder bag, and you can also go ahead and wear it as a crossbody bag. I think, like I said, I really love that about the bag. I just love that it's very versatile, and you can wear it like so many different pieces. I am just going to show you like the different outfits so you can go ahead and wear this amazing bag with. Thank you so much for watching my designer unboxing. I really hope that you enjoyed the video, and I am so in love with this gorgeous, like I said, orange Coach Tabby pillow bag. You know, I think the color is so amazing, and like I said, you can wear this with so many different pieces. Like to touch it, oh, you just want to squeeze it all the time, because like I said, it's a really soft leather, which I think is really fantastic, and you can wear it with like so many different pieces. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know if you've got like this Coach bag, or if you've got any bag from Coach. I would really appreciate it. And if you do like videos like this, like designer unboxing, I think this is the first of many designer bags I'm going to be doing on my channel. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also hit the notification bell and give this video a like. I would definitely catch you in my next video. Make sure you take care and be safe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Now I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it.